How's it going, folks? My name is Gerard. I'm an exotic plant collector and I collect plants. Duh. That's what I do on this channel. That's what I like to talk about on this channel. So that's what you're going to get on this channel. It's primarily just plant care and plant tips and plant things, because that's what I like to talk about. That's what I bring to you. And I got a special video today. I'm very honored to review this young man's collab with Target. This young black man's collab with Target stores. Target was actually my first job ever pushing carts, and that's actually my first investment. My fish tank was from Target. It wasn't from Target, but I worked hard enough, saved all my cart return checks. I saved them up to get this thing from PetSmart that was right next door, and it's been with me ever since the age of 16. So I'm so proud and honored to talk about these two entities, I guess you would say. Hilton Carter. Hilton Carter is not an entity. Hilton Carter is actually a live person. Target would be an entity. But Hilton Carter is a plant stylist, an indoor stylist. Correct me if I'm wrong, but he does things like goes to people's houses and tells them where they could put certain types of plants, stages them. He has 2 books out. I have one. There's the second one. I think it's 30% or 10%. I think it's 30% off at Target right now. I didn't grab that one, but I have his first book, and it's so brilliant and vibrant and definitely will warm your heart when you look. And then the other thing is, like, it'll make you want to have a house with tons of windows. So if you don't have a house with tons of windows and a bunch of lighting, look at his book with E, because he's going to make you want to get a ton of plants and just have them everywhere. Because I used to have plants everywhere, but now I have them in consolidated spaces upstairs. But we're not going to talk about that. But the book is awesome. It gives great detail on how to take care of plants and how to understand plants. And I love the collection that he had in Target. He had a lot of false or fake plants. I am not a fan of fake plants, so I did not even look at them. I just looked at the name F-A-U-X, and I just said, I get it. You got to make fake plants, but you cannot recreate what nature has, how can I say? What's the word? Manifested. What nature has manifested. And all these plants that we talk about, and most of the plants, you just can't recreate them with no type of plastic. It's just impossible. So if you like fake plants, go check out the fake plants that he also has. But I'm not going to down those fake plants. I'm just talking about my personal opinion about fake plants in general. I don't care who makes the fake plants. I just don't like fake plants. But enough about the fake plants. His other stuff that he brought to the table was a selection of pots, and they were funky. They were very funky, trendy. They have that curved look, like on the top, and I looked at that. I didn't get any pots, but I would have gotten some pots. I also saw some watering containers, some misters, some very nice misting containers. They were very sleek and stylish. I saw, the first thing I went to was a terrarium, and I was like, if I get this terrarium, where am I going to put the terrarium? Because I actually have 2 terrariums I have 4 terrariums, but I have 2 I'm not using. So if I get another 3rd terrarium, I'm just going to have to, I don't know what I'm going to do with it. But I should have picked up the terrarium because I went back the next week and it wasn't there prior to me shooting this video, and I should have grabbed it. So, but I was just thinking in a moment, let me be careful. But what I did grab, and also he had plants, like he had sansevierias, he had some Scindapsuses, and fiddle leaf figs at a decent size. It was like 3 or 4 foot in height. So that was cool to see, and they looked like they were in great condition. What else did he have over there? He had what I picked up. The things that I picked up, and I'm just going to tell you right away, is like when I looked at the terrarium and I passed on it, I saw the propagation stations, the single vessel propagation stations that he had, and I picked them all up. It was only like 3 there. What I saw was a limited edition, so your local Target, I'm sure you have one around your neck of the woods. I probably should have put this video out because it's massively late, and I really wanted to do it, but I've just been so busy with my kids, my life just took over, so I couldn't pump out any videos. But I was dying to shout this young man, Hilton Carter, a fellow plant collector, plant understander, plant whisperer. I was dying to do this video to just to add my twist to the add my twist to the Hilton Carter Target collab. I want to give it like 2 thumbs up. And also I grabbed, not to get off subject, but I grabbed a waxed vest. I wanted the full vest, but they only had like the partial vest that had it has pockets in it where you can put like scissors and your light meter and whatever else you want to put in there, gloves, and it's water resistant. Like water just runs off of it because it's coated in wax. It's very fine quality. And then, like I said, the other thing that I got was I was only 3 left, the other propagation stations. I was looking for the wood propagation station, but I did not see it. It's on his online site, and I'll put the link to that below. But I just bought things that were at Target because I just wanted to post this video and talk about the collab with these 2 great things. People. One's a person, the other's a store. Yeah, you get it. But it wasn't hard to find. They had like Hilton center stage right next to like the other decor where they had my Target. I guess all Targets kind of look the same. I missed the other Target. I didn't go to the Target up there, which I should have went to the one in Sicklerville. That would have been even cool just to see that one. But I just went to the one in my area in Mays Landing. And I just was completely satisfied, and I was very inspired by the whole thing of things and the vibe. And yeah, I just want to say, go now, hurry up. And if you don't see anything you don't like, I don't know if they're going to do another collab, but you can also go on Hilton Carter's site to pick up his other merchandise and things like that. If you want to look stylish and get a Hilton Carter vibe, check his channel out. He doesn't have a channel. He just does, I guess his business in Maryland, and I guess he goes abroad everywhere and just goes to people's houses and styles their houses, which is like the most dopest job, I would say, ever, just to deal with plants and just to guide people on how to do and what they need and how to take care of their plants inside their houses. So like I said, I've been following Hilton Carter for a while, so I would strongly suggest you try to pick up one of his books, take a look at it, like I said, and go to Target and buy some stuff, because they're both great companies. I both support them, and we got a lot of memories, me and Target, way back when I was pushing the carts in the heat in summer, July. Taught me a little bit about life. Life is hard. But that's all I want to throw at you. Once again, my name is Gerard. I'm an exotic plant collector. This was a review on Hilton Carter and Target's collab with his plant collection series. I don't know if it has a name, but that's what it is. So that's all I'm going to get at you. Don't forget to check out my Instagram at Gerard's Horticulture, Gerard_Horticulture_culture. I take pictures of all my plants and also will notify you. Oh, and if you hit that like and subscribe button, you'll be notified about my up-and-coming videos and my videos and such. So stay on point and keep growing.